Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we'll be stuffing a portion of my first paycheck of May. So today we'll be doing a portion of my first paycheck of May, and the total is $257 that we will be cash stuffing. And as usual, here's my little breakdown of the cash that I'll be allotting to each category. So here's my 3 binders. As you know, this is my weekly expenses binder, savings binder, on the go binder, and then the 100 envelope challenge. Okay, so and I do want to mention and thank everybody. I've made 100 subscribers here on YouTube, and it's been only a little over a month, and I'm so happy that everybody's enjoying this content, and thank you so much for everybody's support. This is you know, a lifelong journey, and this community has been so helpful with, you know, the learning and growing process, and everybody is so kind here. So as a thank you, I want to do a 100 subscriber giveaway. So at the end of this video, I'll tell you a little bit more about that giveaway and go over the rules and everything like that. But let's get into the video first with the cash stuffing. So it's $257. Okay, so let's go ahead and count out the cash. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, and 257. Okay, so we'll go ahead, and today I only have up to $20 bills. So each of these slots will have its own place. But thank you so much for, you know, everybody commenting and liking my videos. I know in the last, actually not the last video, but the video before that, which was the last cash stuffing video, a lot of people have been wishing me good luck on the golf tournament, and some of you have been asking when it is, and it's actually in about a month, so it's June 9th. So I'll be sure to maybe take some footage and show you guys a little bit of the golf tournament, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted on how we do. But thank you so much. Okay, so here's all the cash, and we will start off with my weekly binder. Okay, so we're gonna start off with myself, and I'll be giving myself $10. And I did spend everything that I had, so we're starting over again. So $10. All right. And then the next will be bills. Bills will be getting $30. So 20 and a 10. All right, so let's go ahead and count this out. 100, 200, 253, 354, 450, $470, and $480. So altogether $480. Alright. The next category will be travel, and travel will be getting $20. Okay, so $20. Altogether we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. So we have $160 for travel. Alright, next category is household. So I did spend everything, but this week household will be getting $10. So I did go to Target this past week. I had to get some toilet paper and some other items. So $10 for this week. Okay, the next envelope is Lucy and Dash, and I did spend everything. So Lucy and Dash will be getting $10 as well. Alright, so let's see, what did I get? Oh yeah, so for Dash, Dash is our cat, so he has been trying to scratch the couch, and there's like these little stickers, these large stickers to put over your couch, so it's sticky, and you know, cats don't like that feeling. So we do have that over our couch, but it's getting a little worn out, so I decided to buy some new ones. And I got him this little thing to put on the window, so he can kind of hop on it and look out the window. So that's what I had gotten for Dash. Okay, so that's the end of the weekly binder. Okay, next is the savings binder, and if you've been following me, I changed out the binder. So the other binder had like the sequins, so I got a new binder, and it's just like a see-through light pink, and pink is my favorite color. Okay, so we're gonna start out with emergency, and emergency will be getting $20. Right, so all together 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. $100 for emergency. Okay, so it's slowly growing, which is nice. We hit the $100 mark. Next is vacation, and vacation will be getting $20. Okay. So altogether, vacation has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20. So vacation has $120. Okay. And next will be gifts. Gifts will be getting $10. So altogether, gifts has $50, $60. Right. Okay. Next is holidays. Holidays will be getting $10 as well. Okay. So altogether, 50 and 60. Alright, and then future won't be getting anything this time, but in future we do have $50, $60, and $70. Okay. Alright, so that's it children's binder. And then lastly is the to-go binder. So this is the little A7 binder. So golf won't be getting anything this time, but golf does have $30. Okay, groceries will be getting $40. Okay, so 20, 30, and I think I'll do some fives. 40. And then I do have left over $10 for groceries. Alright, so altogether groceries has 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. $50 for groceries. Okay. And then beauty will be getting $10. And we'll just add that to beauty. So 20, 40, 60, 70. $70 for beauty. So beauty, this is for when I want to do my hair before my upcoming trip. So slowly saving and slowly getting there. Okay. And then eating out, we'll be getting $20. 10, 20. Okay, so altogether eating out has 20, 30, 40, and 50. Alright, so that's it for my on-the-go to-go binder. And then lastly, we're going to fill 2 of my cash envelopes. Okay, so we are going to cash stuff numbers 24 and 23. So I should have $47. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 47. Okay, so $47. So we're gonna cash stuff number 23. So 10, let's see, 10, I should do 2 5s. All right. So 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So $23. So last time I told you that my label maker broke and it still has not come in. I feel like I thought it was going to come in earlier part of this week, but I think it will be coming in tomorrow. So I'm excited for that. So that I can finish making my little 100 envelopes. And then now we're going to cash stuff number 24. So I have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So $24. All right. So now I'm just gonna file it. Here's 22. Alright, so here's 23 and 24. Okay. Okay, and now on to the giveaway. So now I'll give you the details, and for the giveaway I'll be giving away this A7 binder. It has little shimmers on it, and I made 5 cash envelopes to go along with it. This one is just an example because I wanted to show you what the label would look like, but the label will be in this baby pink color. So you have 5 envelopes. It's this rose gold dots, and then it has some gold flakes. Okay, so the winner will be able to tell me what 5 categories they want. I'll go ahead and print out the label, stick them on the cash envelopes. So to be able to enter this giveaway, you must be publicly subscribed to my channel, and then leave a comment down on this video letting me know what is one budget goal you want to accomplish by the end of this year. Okay, and then at the end, please put a hashtag 100 giveaway. And then as a bonus entry, if you'd like, go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'll leave the info right here. And then under this photo, which corresponds to this video, you're gonna leave me a single emoji, and it will be the double pink hearts. This is the example. Okay, and that will give you a bonus entry into this giveaway. So how it will work is this will run till next Friday, so you have 1 week to enter, and it will be ending at 11:59 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Okay, and I'll give you reminders throughout the week. I will contact the winner by commenting back to your comment on this YouTube video, and then from there I will get your email and we will exchange information, which is your address essentially. So yeah, that's it for the giveaway. I'll leave the rules down in the description box below. I'll have it on the screen, but I just want this to be fun and to thank all of you for supporting me so far. But I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.